Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, in our today's video, we are going to solve problem from statistics. As you know, statistics has become one of the very important topic in TCS examination. So we need to practice few questions before you go and write the examination. Okay, so this kind of questions were asked in the examination. So before we move ahead with this problem, we need to understand what all question can come from median. And if you like the video, then I will also make the same video, similar kind of video on mean and mode as well. Okay, so in this video we will be discussing only medians. So what is median? So the middle number found by ordering all data points and picking out the one in the middle, or if there are two middle numbers, taking the mean of those two numbers is nothing but median. Okay, so friends, anyway they have told, but before you calculate median anywhere, we need to arrange them in ascending order, and that's how you will be able to calculate the median. Now let us take one example. So if I ask you to calculate median of this particular number, okay, so if we have only one middle number, that will become your median. So here your median will become 4. Okay, remember we need to arrange first in ascending order. So this example was already arranged in ascending order. Okay, now so 2 3 4 5 6 7, if you have two middle number, right? So now we have two middle number. In that case, what we do, so in that case we add both of them, and right, so basically we calculate mean of that. So we add both of them and divide by 2, so it will become 4.5. so this is what your simple median is. Okay, now when the class and frequency will be given, so that time calculating median will be different, so we'll have different formula. You do not have to worry at all. Okay, see, the only thing what I want from you guys is, so if you really understand the concept what I am teaching you, then what you have to just do is like and share with your friends, so that everybody gets benefited without paying any single amount. Now question number 1, the score of 7 students are, so 7 students are there, their score is this, the median score is. So friends, first we need to arrange in ascending order. So 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 3 4, one more 4 is there. Okay, and then we have 6 and 8, so we have arranged them in ascending order. How many middle number we have? Only one, so that will become your median. That's all. Question number 2, find the median of this. Okay, now so before we find the median, first we need to arrange them in ascending order. 231, okay, then 253, I'm sorry, so this is a mistake from the marker. Okay, so it is 231, and then 253, and then 255, then 256. So friends, very carefully you'll have to do in exam, so that you do not do any mistake. Okay, otherwise you'll be getting the wrong median. Now, so how many middle numbers we have? So we have only one middle number, that will become your median. So median for this particular question will become 256. Okay, clear? Question number 3, so what is the difference between mean and median of the set? Okay, so friends, mean is nothing but average. This already you are aware, right? So mean will be nothing but average. Even I have also taught you in the topic average. Okay, now so mean will be nothing but average, will be nothing but sum divided by number. So let us first add. So 2 plus 4, okay, is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 7 will be 26. 26 plus 13 will be 39. 39 plus 18 will be 57. Okay, 57 plus 92. So 57 plus 92. Okay, so divided by the total number is nothing but 3. 3 6 2 8. So 57 plus 92 by 8. So it will be 7 2 9, and 9 5 14 by 8. Okay, now friends, so even in TCS, if you want, you can use the calculator. So on screen calculator will be there. Okay, I could have divided it here, but I am also showing you how you can use the calculator in the examination. So it is nothing but 18.625. So basically it will be on the left side. Okay, so on screen calculator will be there, you will be able to use it. Now if I will talk about the median, then I have total 8, that means 2 middle number. So I have 2 middle number, so my median will become equal to what? So my median will become 7 plus 7 divided by 2, that means 14 by 2 will be equal to 7. So 18.625 minus 7, that means 11.625 will become my answer. Okay, so 11.625. So option 3 for the question number 3 is the answer. Okay, now friends, the actual question comes here. So a survey regarding the weight of 45 employees of TCS was conducted and the following data was obtained. Find out the median weight. Okay, now, so friends, before we find out the weight, okay, so there is some procedures, okay, which we need to understand, and then only we will be able to do it. So I will write down the formula here. So median will be equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF and divided by F into H. Okay, so this is a formula for median. Okay, now, so what are these terms are there? Understand carefully. Okay, so now first I am going to calculate the cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency. So the CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. Okay, fine, and everything I will tell you, so do not have to worry at all. So friends, weight in kg is there and number of student is there. So in the simple example I will tell you, so there are 20 in between 20 to 25 kg weight, there are total 2 students are there. Okay, so weight in kg, and here instead of weight student you can say employee. So there are only 2 employees are there whose weight are in between 20 and 25. There are 5 employees are there whose weight are 25 to 30. There are 8 employees are there whose weight are 30 to 35. There are 10 employees are there whose weight are 35 to 40. There are 7 employees are there whose weight are in between 40 to 45. 10 employees 45 to 50, and 3 employees 50 to 55. Okay, fine. Now, so cumulative frequency we will calculate. So how we will calculate cumulative frequency? So 2. Next time we will add both. So 2 plus 5, 7. Next time we will add these 3. So 7 plus 8, 15. Or what you can do, you can add 7 plus 8, 15. Then what you can do, 15 plus 10, 25. Then 25 plus 7 will be 32. Then 32 plus 10 will be 42. And 42 plus 3 will be 45. So this is what we have got is cumulative frequency. Okay, and so CF means nothing but cumulative frequency. Okay, and what is this N? So N is nothing but the frequency has been given. So let us add. So 2 plus 5, so you will be getting nothing but 45, but I will add it for you. So 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 25, 32, 42 plus 3, so 45. So here N is nothing but equal to 45. Okay, you can also say N is nothing but the frequency. Okay, now, so number of employees, total number of employees is nothing but 45. Okay, so the first thing what we do here, we calculate N by 2. So once we calculate N by 2, we will be able to get the median class. So 22.5. Okay, so the number just bigger than that. So just bigger than that. Okay, so just bigger than that. So just bigger than 22.5 will be what? Nothing but 25. So in the cumulative frequency, if you'll see, so just bigger than 22.5 will be nothing but 25. See, even 32 is also bigger, 42 is also bigger, 45 is also bigger, right? But just bigger. So that means this particular column. So this particular column will be called as now median class. Okay, so it will be called as now median class. Okay, so first thing what we have to do, we need to calculate the cumulative frequency. Once we get the cumulative frequency, then we will be calculating N by 2. So N by 2 we have already got it. Okay, now we have few things to calculate. What is L? So L will be nothing but lower limit. Okay, so L will be nothing but lower limit. So L will be what? So in the median class you see L. So what is the lower limit? So lower limit of the median class is nothing but 35. So see, getting the median class is important. Once you get the median class, then we will be able to get the other data. Now, so median class got, and then lower limit we have already got it. Then frequency, F is nothing but frequency. So in median class, okay, so in median class what is frequency? So frequency is nothing but 10. So in the median class, if you'll see the frequency, so frequency is nothing but 10. Okay, so we got N by 2, we got F, we got L. And what is the H? So H is nothing but class height. Okay, so class height you can say. So you can see to 25. This is 5 difference. 5 difference, 5 difference. So this will be nothing but 5. Class difference will be nothing but 5. The difference has to be same. You cannot say, sir, here it is 20 to 25, then 25 to 35. No, that will not happen. Okay. So the class height is 5. Now, the next is CF, cumulative frequency, how to calculate. So friends, what you have got 25 here, right? So n by 2 is nothing but 22.5, and just bigger than that is 25. So just one previous to that. So previous to that is 15. Okay. Previous to that is 15. So CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. Okay. Just before the median class. Just before the median class. That's how you have got all the data. Now L, what is L? So L is 35 plus n by 2. So n by 2 we have got is 22.5. CF is nothing but 15. F is nothing but 10, and H is nothing but 5. So this is 2 times. Okay. Then 35 plus. So if you'll subtract, then it will be nothing but 5 and 7.5 divided by 2. So 35 plus. So 75, if you'll try to divide it by 2, then 37 will be 74.5. So here it will become 3.75. So 38.75 will be nothing but the median weight for this particular question. Okay. So friends, like these questions are coming in TCS from a statistics topic, and there are a lot of questions which are coming from statistics. So do not think this is very tough. Okay. So I will tell you. So if you understood this, then erase everything, right? So cumulative frequency, just write down here only 2, 7, 15, 25, 32, 42, 45, right? So this, and n by 2. So n, so this total will be nothing but 45. Okay. So 45 by 2 will be 22.5. Okay. Now L. So this is your median class. So L will be nothing but 35 plus n by 2, 22.5 minus CF. So CF will be 50 divided by frequency 10 and class height 5. So once you are able to do that, so your answer will be more than 35. So here 7.5 divided by 2. So 35, 3.75. Okay. So 38.75. So there might be some mistake in the calculation. You can check once. So 2 3s are, I think it is correct. Okay. So like this, you have to solve it within 1 minute in the examination. Okay. Because I explained L, F, C, F, N by 2. So you might have thought that it will take time, but it is not actually. In exam, you'll be able to do it. So this kind of questions only we are going to practice. So if you like the video, then definitely do comment. And friends, TCS coding previous 10 years MCQ and coding question live crash course has been started. Price is just 199 only for the first 50 student. After that, it will become 249 rupees. Okay. Now, and similarly, TCS aptitude and reasoning previous 10 years questions live crash course has been also started. The link will be given in the description. Basically, this course is going to start from 1st of August. So many of you were asking, and you can see there are many students who have already bought this. So once 50 students will be there, then the price will increase. So if you want to go through the 10 years of the questions before your exam in such a low price, such a small price, then you will be able to get that. So the link will be given in description. Join it today. And if you have any doubt, please do comment. And if you like the video, please do comment, so that I will be continuing with mean and the mode and complete statistics, different problem. Thank you.